couldn't afford to pay anybody to do it for me, so I had to learn how to do it myself.
Mm-hmm.
And my mom used to beat into my head all the time when I was a kid. Like, I'll never forget, there was a plumber that was working on a sink, and he has butt crack hanging out. And I was just walking through the house,
Yummy.
and I was kind of, I was, I was giggling because I thought it was funny. And then my mom came up and grabbed me by the back of the shirt and pulled me into the foyer. And she said, "Let me tell you something." She goes, don't you ever tell me you can't do something that anybody else can do. If that guy can fix our plumbing, you can fix anything." And that just kind of stuck in my head because that's the way my mom was.